My sons are men now, Ruben and Timion. They are strong, capable, funny, kind people. I could tell you about their achievements, and I would be telling the truth. What I want to tell you is something more personal than that. Growing up alongside them was the greatest experience of my life. I say growing up alongside them because that is honestly what it felt like. We discovered things together. We laughed at things that were probably not funny to anyone outside our family. We went through hard things and we came out the other side, still choosing each other. That kind of bond does not happen by accident. It is built slowly through the accumulation of ordinary days and honest conversations and the willingness to repair what gets broken.